Hi, this is Keith Brown for Global SMT and Packaging Magazine at Productronica India, and I'm on the OMRON stand with Mr. Gandhi, who is the Managing Director for India. Right, so welcome, sir. Obviously, OMRON are here with a large presence. You have a really big, nice-looking stand, so you're obviously very serious about the Indian market. Maybe you can tell us a little bit of the background.
Keith, thank you for coming over to our booth and for having this opportunity to have a conversation here. So as you know, OMRON, we are a Japanese company and we are heavily focused on discrete manufacturing automation. And Productronica show that we have here is at a good inflection point for India, because the Indian manufacturing is now also poised to grow for electronic industry, as you're well aware. The government of India is pushing a lot of growth there. And so that is a great opportunity for us at OMRON to add a lot of value to the manufacturing in India by bringing in our technologies. So that's what we are showcasing here in this booth.
And obviously you're working on the back of the Make in India, where everybody is growing. The technology levels are rising, and better and better inspection equipment is needed to keep the lines producing good yields.
Absolutely, yes, Keith. That's a great point. So we are also seeing a lot of shift in supply chains globally. A lot of this is moving to India. Again, we are all well aware of that. So if India has to really grow its manufacturing, and especially in the electronics industry, then it must essentially make for the world. It's not just about even if you're going to sell it in India, it has to compete with the best of the world. And for that, we have to make it at the most efficient point. We have to make it the best quality, and we have to make it we have to make a product that the user, the customer, you and us want to come back and buy. So we have to make in India a brand, and that's where OMRON's automation technologies, including the AOI optical inspection or the X-ray inspection machines that we have, help the producers produce electronic products, PCBs or components, which are really best in class.
Yes, and it's a very good point that we're in a global market, and people don't really aren't concerned that much about exactly where the product's made, but they want the quality, they want the reliability, and they want that competitive price also.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. And even otherwise, if you see some of the products that our machines help make are mission critical. When I say mission critical, I mean we may not. There's a lot of electronics, for example, in our automobiles today. Yeah. And this electronics is actually mission critical. This is important from a safety perspective of the user, of the driver, and of the people on the road. And so any quality issue with that product could show up as a defect at a very critical point. And that's not something that you would ever want. So not only are we helping make better quality products, but we are also helping keep people safe, I would say.
Yeah, it's not only a manufacturing quality, but it's like an insurance for reliability as well.
Yeah, absolutely, because we can have the best of the manufacturing quality. It doesn't mean anything as long as it doesn't impact you and us, the users of the products at the end of the day. Yeah. So our customers are not really the manufacturers, but our customers are the consumers of the products that our manufacturers make.
Yeah, because they're the most important ones in the supply chain.
Yep, absolutely. Yep.
Yeah. And obviously OMRON is very successful with SPI, with AOI, with 3D X-ray as well. Are you seeing growth in India across all your range of products?
OMRON automation is actually bigger than just these three products. So our product range covers everything from relays to robots, everything including vision inspection systems for quality inspection, barcode scanners, PLCs, drives, robots, and services including safety services, training services, data visualization services. And our growth over the last few years has really been phenomenal. We have been clocking a CAGR of close to 25% over the last 3 to 4 years. And large part of that growth has come in from the electronics industry, by way of our products, which include the AOI, the AXI, the SPI products that you mentioned, and plus the other products that go into the electronics industry.
So basically, you're seeing growth and success really across the board of everything that Omron does.
Yes.
Well, thank you for sharing for us, sir. And I hope you have a very successful growth forwards, and maybe see you next year with an even bigger stand.
Thank you for coming over, Keith. Lovely talking to you.
No.
NMtronics India is your partner in technology, providing high-tech capital equipment for PCB assembly and testing through world-class equipment manufacturing companies. MINT is our state-of-the-art experience center in Noida, showcasing live SMT line performance. We take single-window responsibility for chip-to-ship for your SMT shop floor with customized Make in India automation solution. We are a team of 350-plus highly qualified and trained engineers representing 40-plus principals and spread 9 cities all across India, promising best equipment performance, quality, and service support.